Yes, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve the sums using removing brackets. Ganit Prakash, chapter number 2. So, we are going to see the topic of removing brackets, how to remove the brackets, right? So, the basic thing is whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, right? So, if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, when you will open the bracket, all the signs of the numbers inside the brackets will be changed. So first question here is 25. There is a minus sign outside this bracket and you have to remember that this bracket starts from here and it ends here, right? So the numbers inside the bracket are plus 15, plus 8 and minus 6. So when you will open the bracket, the signs of these three numbers only will be changed, right? So plus 15, here it will become minus 15, plus 8 it will become minus 8, and minus 6 will become plus 6, and plus 12 as it is. So from these, what will be the correct answer? B part, right everyone? So students, basically in these type of questions you have to remember that you have to change the sign of all the three numbers which are there in the bracket. कभी कभी होता क्या है बेटा, हम फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स के साइन चेंज कर देते हैं, थर्ड का साइन चेंज करना ही भूल जाते हैं. सो मेक श्योर, बी कंसिस्टेंट, बी फोकस्ड, ऑल द नंबर्स इन द ब्रैकेट साइंस विल बी चेंज्ड. दूसरी बड़ी बात जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे क्लोज हो गई है, राइट एवरीवन, दिस ब्रैकेट इज क्लोज्ड फ्रॉम हियर. तो साइन सिर्फ यही तीन नंबर्स के चेंज होंगे, 12 का साइन नहीं चेंज कर देना. कई बार हम ज़्यादा ध्यान से करते हैं तो आगे करते ही जाते हैं, सारे साइन चेंज कर देते हैं. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. मेक श्योर that you keep in your mind that from where bracket is started and from where the bracket is ended. Okay, now let's see one more example again here. In the bracket, plus 20 minus 10 plus 5, and just check when we will open the bracket, will the signs be changed here? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि जब भी ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे हम साइन चेंज कर देंगे. व्हाट वाज द रूल टू चेंज द साइन? The first was if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, right? Is there any minus sign outside the bracket? No. So we need not to change any sign here in this case, right? So 40 plus 20 minus 10 plus 5 minus 18. So B part is the correct answer here. So make sure whenever there is a plus sign outside the bracket, you need not to change the signs, okay? Now just see example number 3. Again here there is a bracket. We have to open the bracket. The question is remove the brackets. If it is asked solve also or find the value also, after removing the bracket we have to solve and find the value also. But here in this question I am just taking the question remove the brackets and rewrite the expression. Okay. So again there is a minus sign. Now just check. Again there is a minus sign outside the bracket. 30 inside the bracket. Just check. 30 is positive, 12 is negative, 7 is positive. So minus sign, it always says that you have to change the direction of the number. Remember we have done that the signs plus positive and negative, they show the direction of the numbers, okay? So whenever there is a negative sign means you have to take the opposite of that number. Opposite means you have to change the sign, right? So 55 minus 30 plus 12, minus 12 will become plus 12, plus 7 will become minus 7, and this minus 20 will be written as it is, right? So again the B part is the correct answer here, right? Let's take one more example. Again here just check. There is a plus sign outside the bracket. Will the signs be changed here also? No, we need not to change the signs. Okay, so plus 25 will remain plus 25, plus 15 will remain plus 15, minus 10 and minus 30. So this is the correct answer, A part. No signs changed as it is the expression. Take one more example. Now there is minus sign outside the bracket. So when there is a minus sign outside the bracket, all the signs must be changed. Now just check. Here is plus 40, minus 20 and minus 5. So when we will have to change the signs, when you will open the bracket, it will be 85 minus 40 minus 20, it will become plus 20, minus 5 will become plus 5 and plus 18 will be written as it is, right? So the last option, no. Here should be in C part, please do the correction. Here should be plus 20. So in question number 5, C part is the correct option by doing this correction, okay? Now next is question number 6. Again there is a plus sign outside the bracket, so no signs will be changed again. Plus 30 minus 15 plus 12 minus 25 as it is. A part is the answer. So remember, the basic funda is you have to check when you have to change the sign and when the signs will not be changed, okay? When there is a minus sign outside the bracket, all the signs will be changed. If there is plus sign outside the bracket, no signs will be changed, okay? Take one more last example again here. So just check. Now inside the bracket we have plus 20 plus 18 minus 9, right? So first of all आपको identify भी करना आना चाहिए that in the bracket what is the sign of the terms, right? Only after that you will be able to change the signs. So 20 was positive inside the bracket. When you have opened the bracket, it will be minus 20. 18 was positive, it will be minus 18. 9 minus 9 was there, it will be plus 9. And don't forget to write this last term. हम क्या करते हैं, हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करते हैं, वहाँ तक हमारा सारा जोर लग जाता है, फिर लास्ट टर्म हम लिखना ही भूल जाते हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट डाउन दिस लास्ट टर्म ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर? बी पार्ट. One more example. Again there is a plus sign, so no signs will be changed here. Same signs, A part will be the answer, same with the same signs, right? Again just check, there is minus sign outside, so minus 60 minus 20 and plus 15 will be there, plus 15 and minus 35. So here again in the C part there is a correction in your assignment as well. Please do this correction. 120 minus 60 minus 20 plus 15 minus 35. Okay, this is the correct option. This is the correct answer here. So I think now the topic of removing the brackets is clear to you all. You can solve the questions. Thank you and have a nice day.